Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And yes, we're doing an unboxing of another glorious product, but this time it's a mouse pad. And I needed a new mouse pad because I don't have a backup one if I can clean this one. But then it was about that time to get a new one anyway. So I was really looking to the new mouse pad that Glorious came out with, ice, fire, and air. I didn't want to go with the air because it was a hard pad. And then the ice was like pretty much a glass finish that's like really speed. Like it's more for speed, and I really don't want that. I'm trying to look for the best of both worlds, that it gives me speed but also gives me control. So I wind up going with the fire. So let's unbox this baby right here. And I was surprised that it came like this flat, and there's a reason, is that you don't want to roll up this mouse mat or mouse pad when you go to a LAN party, because you could damage it, or you see some marks on the mouse pad as well. So let's open this thing up. And unfortunately, the color options that's come with, it only comes with one in black. And if you want, I can show you guys the dimensions. So there you go, XL 17 by 15, 431 millimeters to 381 millimeters. And also, you can pause right there and read more about it. So now let's open up this baby. Okay. Okay. Before you use it, do not roll it. Okay, there you go. It says do not roll it or reverse it or roll the mouse pad. Do not bend or fold it. If you roll it, the mouse pad can develop creaks. Oh wow. Become damaged or stored to a dry condition away from high temperatures. Okay, so I gotta be very careful with it. Which is a good thing my room doesn't get that hot anyway, so I'm not really too worried about it. So pretty much, let's continue. Ooh. All right. So stand by. Let me put the mouse. Let me make some room for I can replace this. So give me 1 second. So I already put in the mouse pad in my desk already, as you see right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh my God, I didn't even bend this thing. Oh, that's not good. It looks like I have a defect. I'm gonna see if I can email to Glorious to see if they can send me a replacement. Oh wow, that sucks. All right then, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. Guess I'm gonna have to cut this thing short and email Glorious and tell them the problems I having. Until then, I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.